So we might have a little bit of snow here, out behind my parents' house. And so we're waiting for my dad to get home. And we'll let him get some of this taken care of. As you can see, the snow is still blowing and it is still pretty windy out here. This is my parents' PT Cruiser, and I show you how deep the snow is, but I can't. Well, in some of the snow drifts, it is definitely up to, if not past, my hips. That is my dad's wood truck. That right there is a snowmobile. The steering wheel and the handlebars are two lawn and garden tractors that are clearly on the snow. And let me go back over here so you can catch a glimpse of my, sorry about the shakiness, my dad's, oh look, Dad's home, yay! Here comes the plow guy. Right here is the poor Kubota, and this is our other piece of equipment that we're going to use to clear up the snow mess. Whew. See if we can get some fun videos of my dad plowing the snow. Ooh, ooh. God. I'll stand over here for a few minutes and I'll get some pictures and videos of this grand event. Hi!
Hi, you trying to get something out?
Well, I was going to shovel around the tractor so that when you guys are ready, you can get to them. But I don't need to get anything out. Chad can't plow this. The four-wheeler doesn't like it. Sorry about the screaming and yelling. Okay, fun video coming up. Oh God, my battery's gonna die. See that big box plow? Boss of snow around, I think. Yeah, I know, I'm a little corny, I say. Come on. Whew. Oh, is he coming back? Oh darn. I think he's gone. Okay. Yeah, alright, he's gone. Blizzard 2017. Oh, look, there he is. Alright, now we're talking. I might be able to get a couple more minutes before the battery dies. Cold out here. Maybe. Everybody's trying to get plowed out. The neighbor across the road. They had a Jamie over there going down his driveway. There he is. Trying to plow their house out. Okay. Maybe we can get one more video. A little clip here. Oh, I hear a four-wheeler coming. There's Mr. Overlock. Blowing up some snow.
Hey, look, your father's coming.
There he comes again. Check out that. Whoops, I shut my camera off. Oh,